Hello, this is Wendy V with QEZ Instruction. Today, we're going to be making a workstation folder to organize workstation materials. First, you're going to need a 2-pocket folder without the prongs. Open it up, fold it in half, and make it almost meet the bottom. Now take note, we're going to open it back up, hold it like a regular folder, and take a note of where the crease is. You want to really take a look at this crease because we're going to be drawing a curve. Here I'm using an orange marker to draw the curve or arc or arch. Now we're going to be cutting, so make sure that you didn't accidentally hold this upside down. I've done it before where I've cut into the pocket instead of the top of the folder. Now, I kind of like this orange, so as I'm looking at it, I think I'm going to cut down the middle of the orange so that I'll have a little orange edge on the edge of my flap. So now I've cut off the top, but as I look at my orange, I didn't do a great job, so I'm going to kind of fix that. And I make sure I didn't cut the pocket again. So there I have it. I like how it turned out. I can fold down the flaps again. I really like how the orange looks. So I'm going to match the other flap to this one. And you can see how it's starting to shape up. So now you can see we're almost finished. Once I close it up, it's got a great look. It will be even stronger if I use Velcro type fasteners to close down the flaps, and it's easy to carry, easy to maneuver, small enough for little hands or even big hands. And here's the completed product. As you can see, it's a Word workstation. On the inside, I've labeled flap A and flap B. That's a good place for directions or word cards. I can have flashcards, place sight words, make word family cards. I can do root words, affixes, prefixes, suffixes. This is another workstation folder that I created for OUGH Word. Thank you for joining me at QUEZ Instruction. I am Wendy V and hope to see you again soon.